my name is Isaac Haji, and then this training was facilitated by Miriam Dube, and it has to do with effective budget execution. I think it was a very nice experience. Some of the things that I don't know, I think this training exposed me to it, and I appreciate it so much. Some of the key issues that I'll be taking home has to do with various analysis, and then it's not only about the variances. After you've done the variance analysis, you need to investigate it, find out what are the roots, the causes, and then another takeaway for me in this training has to do with how to motivate my staff and other corporate governance issues. It was an eye-opener.